guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the DIADORA Winner. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Stamp that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go, and today we've got our first look at our pair of DIADORAs here at Oneupreviewz, and we've got the Winner in the white chili pepper colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's a European 41 and it's a US men's 8. Before we get unboxing, actually, just want to let you guys know, if you don't know who DIADORA are, they are an Italian sportswear manufacturer, and they were massive. I kind of still think they are. You still got a cult following amongst the European fashionistas, and I mean they were big in football as well, especially the Italian football. They did Italian kits and they do really good football boots as well. We're lucky enough to have one of their retro sneakers in the Winner, and this is aptly named because DIADORA was, again, like, they had all the best Italian athletes. So here we are, opening them up, and here it is. Really cool classic tennis shoe from the 90s. They dug it out of the archives, and it's very simple, very easy look, retro vibes again, and we'll get into all that details. But first we'll start with the outsole, and it's an all rubber outsole. You got the DIADORA logo there, you can see some suction cup here, and you got your herringbone patterning there, all for that traction. The midsole unit, so the midsole unit is an EVA foam, and you got that yellow effect right there. Very retro, classic 90s vibes is what I'm getting from this sneaker. You got the DIADORA logo there, and moving on onto the upper. So the upper is made out of leathers, so you can all see the leather all around. There you got the DIADORA logo on the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker. Flat laces, crisscross action, how you like it. The tongue itself is synthetic material, it's nicely padded, and you can see the mesh there as well with the DIADORA logo. Again, guys, if I am pronouncing DIADORA incorrectly, please let us know. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing correctly because that's how I've heard it many a time. So we'll start looking at the heel, and at the heel tab you've got your DIADORA logo expression there in the black, and you've got this rubber heel cup unit there as well. What I really like about the sneaker is the toweling effect that's around the tongue, and you can see it in the ankle support. So if you look at it, it's padded, but the interior, it's got that lining. It's like a terry toweling effect. Very nice. And the insole, very simple. It's foam insole with the DIADORA logo. Very classic look, very easy to wear. It's from a hugely underrated sports brand in DIADORA. I mean, for example, you got Mizuno, DIADORA, LS, Kappa. You got those retro sports vibes, and they're kind of getting their moment at them right now. If I remember correctly, like, DIADORA was big in Topman, and those European tracksuits, they were really cold, and just to see a retro tennis sneaker come out of the gates from them is really dope in a world filled with people wearing Nike and Adi. If you want to stand out more, get a pair of DIADORAs. We'll let you know about the fit, all that jazz, when we do the on feet, and I think it's time to roll out footage of the on feet. So check out the on feet review right now. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 when it comes to a lot of sneakers, and getting that 7.5 fit right with these Diadoras. These are really dope on, severely underrated as a sneaker brand, as a sportswear brand even, which I hate, and I feel like they are very unsung. There's a reason why they have a cult following. These really look good on. Again, as I mentioned in the review, in a world filled with Nike and Adidas, you can step out in a while. You know, New Balance was having a moment. Asics are on the cusp of coming back, so why not give Diadora a chance? However, one little thing I'm not really happy about these sneakers is that these are kind of overpriced for what they are. We bought these for £90 retail, and you can get a cheaper priced pair of Reeboks that will do the job, but you know, the average consumer would opt out for the cheaper option, whereas this is obviously, being £90 is a very, very expensive purchase in regards to other pricing. Example, the Reebok workout. However, price point aside, these look really dope on. Gives you that retro vibes from the 90s, you know. And yeah, these were essentially tennis shoes to begin with. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.